Today's video will show you how to customize your Steam profile. So, as you see, I have pretty much nothing. Like, just a name, a picture, no background, no anything, no badges even. So, first of all, you can go to Edit Profile or go on top right, View My Profile, Edit. You'll see here. You can do like name stuff, everything. But to customize how other things look, here you can see like the free avatars that you have. You just get provided. You can choose one of those. You can also upload your picture. So profile backgrounds, as you see, I have nothing. Here you can choose if you have any. Mini profile, which means you open friends list and you hover, you'll be able to see it here. And theme. Theme is you can just choose. So, first of all, easiest way to get them. You can either go here, Steam Point Shop, or here, Point Shop. You open this, and this is pretty much where you can buy all the things. So you would think, how do you even buy them, right? So how do my points work? So 118 points is every dollar spent. Buy any game, DLC, hardware, application, soundtrack, or in-game item and get points. After you do any of that, you can just go here and check, like, for example, avatar. You can buy avatars here. It says 3,000, how much they cost. Frames is another thing that I didn't mention because you can see it since I didn't have any. You can have frames around your profile picture. Backgrounds, obviously, like I mentioned. You can see them how they look when you click on them. So it'll be your profile and the background. These are the badges if you want just badges with points as well. You'll get this badge. Keep in mind, you're not gonna keep them. If you buy a second one, you'll have the second one. You won't be able to use the previous ones, but they will give you a badge and XP for your account. Game profiles, which is you have everything in already. The avatar frame, mini background, and profile background. So it's like all in one. Showcases, which I didn't show as well, which is you can showcase various things, your achievements, badges, community awards, workshop items, all sorts of things. These things you will unlock by levels, which I previously mentioned. If you buy these are the fastest way to get levels. Animated stickers, chat effects, emoticons, so yeah. Put everything on your profile, make it look cool. So, hope this video helped you. See you next one. Bye.